What you're going to be needing for this project are these wooden cutting boards. I got these from Daiso and they are 30 by 19 and they're pretty thin. They just look like that. I thought this was so perfect. Like the wood is just a raw wood, which I love, so I'm not going to be painting it. And then yarn that I already had, and I use this for macrame projects. And you can really use any type of yarn. These 2-inch diameter rings, I got these at, I believe, Michael's. Some scissors, a pen to mark where we're going to cut the holes, and a drill. What I'm going to do first is just mark spots that I'm going to be drilling at each corner. So just mark those spots, and I kind of did it already. It was about an inch in on each side that I marked the dot, and just do that for each corner. And then we're going to drill the holes. And I got my trusty IKEA drill set for that. My wood is all cut out now, and for the second piece all I did was overlap the first piece and then drill through the hole like this, and it was easier since I was able to just drill it and not have to mark any holes. So the next part is I'm going to be cutting out the yarn. The next step was to cut the yarn in 4 feet strips, and I needed 2 of those for one board, and then I just strung it through like so, and I just used the tip of my scissors to poke it through, it made it really easy to do. And so now I have 2 hanging strings like this. The first thing I'm doing is I'm kind of placing it on the wall to see how it hangs, because I want it to hang kind of like at an angle with the strings, and then I want this piece to be straight when it's on the wall. So just kind of do the same thing so that it lays flat like that. Cut a 12-inch long piece of string because we're going to be using that to make a knot at the top of the ring. So you want to just lay out your cords like this, have the 2 long ones at the ends, and then the 4 excess threads in the middle, and then take that piece that we had cut, place one of the ends at the top, and then create a loop at the bottom, and then we're going to wrap around all of the cords and wrap very tightly. And then keep going until you reach the bottom. And we're still wrapping. And then once you kind of reach towards the end where that loop is, you want to just take that piece and put it through that loop, and then you're gonna pull the top piece that we had left up on top and just tighten that up. And then there you have a really tight loop. Just pull that other piece down. So now we're just going to cut that top piece so that goes away and we don't see that. There you go. And then for these little pieces, I'm also gonna cut those. And you just want to cut them so they don't really show anymore. And there you have it. We got our nice little knot. So this is the final product. Isn't it just so cute? And I'm planning to put one on each side of my bed, and I'm going to be putting candles here, like white candles, and I'm going to kind of burn them a little bit just to have them look used, and then just place them there as decor on each side of my bed. So I'm so excited about it. Literally, this only costs maybe under $5 to make. And the one on Urban Outfitters is $16. So I just saved you so much money. You guys go and make this. It's so cute. You could place this anywhere in your home and just display your decor. I'm so happy to finally be putting stuff on my walls because my walls are so bare. But since I have all my macrame projects that I've been doing, I've been hanging all of those, and then I still have this up, the one I made a few months ago, and this is just hanging over my bed. I'm not showing my whole bedroom right now because it does not look presentable. It's kind of messy, but I also have these string lights up too that look so cute. As you can see, it was so easy to make. I think the hardest part was the knot at the top, but all you need to do is just rewatch that clip where I do it and it should come easily to you. That's really the only thing that I thought was hard about this project, but other than that, it was super simple. So let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. I plan to do a lot more DIY videos because I really love doing DIYs. And I'm also planning to do a lot more thrifting because things are just too expensive and I cannot find things that I love and that I like, that I'm willing to spend like an arm and a leg on. So I'm just gonna make it myself and show you guys how to do it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm going to be posting a lot more, and I'm super excited about this DIY series that is going to be starting. So yeah, thank you guys.